Hey guys, my name's Callie and I'm the creator of Glazed Epoxy, and today I want to show you guys what I did with one of these cups. I did something really crazy. I just decided to see how many layers I could put on one of these cups. My goal was 100 and I did it with the help of one of the DIY epoxy turners. I'm actually giving away one of those, so if you guys want to check out the giveaway, I'll talk about it later in the video. But if you guys want to see how many layers I could get on one of these cups, let's get into the video. Hello. So today I wanted to do something very different. Not seen this done before. I don't know why I'm doing it, just for fun. I just wanted to do a bunch of layers on a cup and see how many I could put on there. So we're gonna see how many layers I can do on this cup. This is a 30-ounce skinny stainless tumbler. It came white. I'm going to go prep it and spray paint it. I'm gonna do different designs and colors, just kind of so it's more entertaining. Yeah, I just thought it'd be a fun video to just kind of test the limits and see how many layers I can actually get on one cup and what it would look like. So if you guys are interested in seeing this crazy, weird video, let's get started. So like I said, I'm gonna go prep this and spray paint it, and I will be right back. Alright, so I have my cup spray painted and it's fully dry. This is Rust-Oleum Aubergine and this is Rust-Oleum Metallic Gold. So I'm going to do some glitter first. So for a couple of the layers, I'll kind of talk through what I'm doing a little bit, but for most of them, I'm just gonna like show a little bit here and there. But if I talked through and showed everything that I did this whole cup, this video would be a million years long. So I'm just putting a tiny bit of epoxy on my cup, spreading it out really thin, just to give a nice base for the glitter to stick to. I'm using the DIY Epoxy Artisan Fast Set, which will make it so much easier for me to coat this with a lot of layers because I'm gonna be able to do a bunch in one day. And this is just like a test glitter. I'm also going to have this paper so I can keep track of my layers because it's going to be hard to keep track. So that is paint, epoxy, and glitter. So we are on 3 layers right now. So now I'll just let that dry. Okay. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. All right, guys, so we are on layer 15 and she's getting chunky. Like, I mean, I feel like there's a lot of epoxy on this. Like, I probably wouldn't go any more, like if I was actually gonna sell this to somebody and like give it to somebody to use. It's pretty heavy. So I know that they're not the same size, but you can kind of see this one's getting a little more rounded on the edge. It's just getting a little thick. So we're at layer 15. I'm gonna go spray paint this and we're gonna do a lot more layers, but I just wanted to show you like layer 15 would be probably acceptable to do as a cup, but it is getting a little much. So yeah. It's so heavy. So I switched it to this turner. I got all the chunks off. So yeah, we'll just let it spin and tomorrow I'll try to sand it and then keep going with more layers. Because we're not done. We're not done. All right, guys, so I started with this. It's still a big cup. Like, this is a 30-ounce cup, so it's still a decent sized cup. And this is the finished, oh my gosh, it's heavy. The finished 100 layer cup. This thing is massive. Like, I don't know what to do with it. It's huge. It's like a baby. Like, this is my 5th baby right here. It's just like, it got all rounded up here. Like, it's just so weird. And so I'll show you, like, I can't even hold it. I don't want to drop it. But like, it's so much bigger. And it actually, like, the lid will actually fit on here. So now I want to weigh it and see what it weighs and see how much this weighs too, and kind of see the difference. So this cup is 12.1 ounces before, and after 100 layers of epoxy, it is now 121 ounces or 7 pounds 9 ounces. So it's literally like a baby. All right, I want to go sand off some of the bottom. So for one, it can stand up straight, but I also want to just see all the layers and see what it looks like inside. But before we do that, I do want to mention that I am doing a huge giveaway. And if you want to enter, stay tuned to the end to see all the details about what I'm giving away and how to enter. So let's go cut this thing or sand it or something, because I want to see all the layers. Okay guys, so here are the 4 double stack turners that I use all the time now. And for the video, I was just using a single one. And if I didn't have that turner, I would not have been able to do that cup. It made it so it would just keep turning that huge heavy cup, and it was so quiet, and it just kept it level until towards the end I did have to like put extra weight on it. But these are amazing turners, and I am lucky enough to give one of these away, a double stack turner. So to enter, all you need to do is subscribe to this YouTube channel, Glazed Epoxy, and comment on this video and tell me why you want to win this turner. And then also go over to Facebook and join our Facebook group. It's just DIY Epoxy. And then you'll be entered. We will pick a winner and announce soon. And yeah, definitely really excited to give this away to you guys, because it's really amazing, and I could not have done this cup without it. That's for sure. My other turner would have just like given up and just fallen over. So yeah, I'm really excited to give it away to one of you. All right guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
What an outro.